Recall that we started the whole conversation around computational photography by looking at how we're going to capture 3D world with all of the illumination associated with it into an image through a sensor and a set of optics. The sensor basically gave us, among other things, an image representation in terms of pixels. That's what we looked at, and here is the example of the image we looked at before. We're just going to look at a black and white image of this, and we basically said that in essence this image has a certain width and height, and that helps us look at concepts of what a megapixel image is. So a digital image in that time when we discussed it was basically a numeric representation in both dimensions in x and y, and this is the coordinate frame we looked at. And we basically looked at the whole concept of how we can access any part of this image by just traversing through basically the rows and columns in x and y for a continuous form, and i's and j's basically again looking at each and every pixel in discrete form. This allowed us to look at concepts of image resolution. We basically looked at image resolution is width times height of an image, and we made claims that each element or each picture element contains light intensities for each value of x and y for the whole image, and that's how we accessed it. Of course, we learned how to do filtering and everything associated with that later.